Hey guys, it's the mom, and today we are over at the Wilderness Lodge at the Copper Creek Villas, and we are going to do a tour of a studio. This is a DVC property, so what you're going to find inside is typical to DVC studios. When you come in, you're going to find on the left-hand side your kitchenette. You're going to have a coffee maker, refrigerator, storage. The microwave is a great plus. Place to store your breakfast stuff and whatnot. These rooms are great for making breakfast. They're going to come with some paper goods. And they usually have, let me see. Yep, they have a toaster. And you're also going to have your ice bucket up here. Little high for me, I'm on the short side. You got your sink with your dish soap, coffee service. And this is a full-size coffee pot, so not messing around with the coffee in the morning. Next to that, you're going to find your closet, your extra pillows, ironing board and iron, hangers, and your wall safe, which is big enough for a laptop or two, so that's great. Oh, almost forgot. In the kitchen, you have your cutlery as well. You can have a corkscrew, can opener, that type of stuff. If any of this stuff is missing after you check in, you can just call down to the front desk or go down there and let them know, and they will happily provide it. On the other side, when you walk in, there's this lovely huge mirror, which is also a sliding door to close off the bathroom. It's like a barn door style. And this is our bathroom. You are going to have a vanity, single sink, storage underneath with solid wood floors. This is a room with a walk-in shower, so not all the bathrooms are going to be like this. Some of them are going to have the tub shower combinations, but this one is a walk-in shower, and that's a separate room type. As always, your room is going to come with bath products. And we have a nice shower here, along with our rainforest head. And we have artwork in the bathroom. Coming out of the bathroom past the little kitchenette, you have an eating area or a table you can use as a desk, which is probably how I will use it. Pretty mirror. This is a studio setup because it is DVC, so we have a queen size bed. And we also have a pull-out sofa. Next to the queen, you're going to find nightstands, plenty of storage. We have some themed artwork. And these are actually a lot of the places within the resort. So Artist Point is a restaurant. Sturdy Branches is the gym. The Territory Lounge is in the lobby. So this is all denoting places that are actually located within the hotel. So when you're here, why don't you see if you can find all of them? I like the headboard. We have a good amount of storage. Great dresser. Nice TV. We have USB ports and charging ports. There are plenty of them throughout the room. So plenty of stuff to charge all your gadgets. We have a connecting room. This locks off most likely to a 1-bedroom, and this would become part of a 2-bedroom villa. More artwork. Our pull-out sofa, coffee table, some reading material. No, that is not a souvenir, guys. You cannot take this with you. but this book is for sale on a lot of the gift shops. It's called One Day at Disney. It is also a series on Disney Plus, and if you're a Disney fan or you're just interested in the theme parks, I highly recommend it. It's the people behind the parks. And out here is my favorite place. We'll pull the sofa out in a minute, but I want to show you this because it's so peaceful. This is our nice big patio. And this is where you're going to find me in the morning with a cup of coffee. So peaceful out here. Off in the distance there, that building here is Geyser Point. That's one of the lounges and restaurants. There are 2 pools on the property. One of them is right in front of us here. And there's another one located not too far away. This building across from us is Boulder Ridge. That's the other DVC property that's here. That's where you're going to find Sturdy Branches, the gym. And this whole resort is just so peaceful. But I'll hang out here after we're done. Let's go back inside and let's see if I can get the kid and the dad to help pull out the bed. Can you guys help me with this? Let's see how hard this is to work. So far, it seems pretty simple. Oh, look at that. It's easy enough. The kid can practically do it by herself. So this pulls out into another queen. It's probably more comfortable for the kids in the family, or maybe one adult. I don't know if I would put 2 adults on this. So this room's going to sleep 4 comfortably. You have all the space and all the gadgets you need. Plenty of room for storage underneath the bed for some luggage also. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Would you like to stay in the studio over at Copper Creek? Have a great day, guys.